Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Seiko Marley, and in today's video you'll be seeing me try aloe on my hair for the very first time. And I'm trying this out because I'm always looking for something new that can help me get through wash days faster, and I saw that aloe is great for detangling hair. So we're gonna go ahead and cut up these pieces of aloe and see how well it works for detangling my type 4 hair. So now I'm cutting off the tops and bottoms of the aloe leaf, and the bottom is said to have a toxin if you're going to be consuming this aloe. So I just went ahead and did that even though I'm using it on my hair. And I also cut off those spiky sides. Now I'm cutting it into smaller squares, and I went ahead and placed it in water for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let it soak. So after soaking them in the water, I cut them all in halves. And you can see just by me rubbing these two halves together how slimy and thick the texture is. So I took a large spoon and I just began scooping all that aloe apart from the leaf. And I did this for all of them. It might look easy, but this was actually pretty hard to do because the aloe is so slippery. So I had to get a good grip on it and scoop all that aloe out. And I placed it into this large bowl. So as you can see, it's pretty thick right now. I'm just rubbing my fingers through it and you can see how thick and slimy it is. So I went ahead and added this to my blender and I blended it up for about 1 minute. And now that it was blended and I stirred it up to make sure there's no large pieces sitting at the bottom of the blender, I went ahead and poured it through this cheesecloth and squeezed out as much liquid as I could. And from this bowl, I then transferred it into an applicator bottle. So this is my hair after I've been avoiding wash day. And we're just going to be using this aloe juice and see how well it detangles my hair. Now, before applying that aloe, I just went ahead and tried to section off my hair. So I have smaller sections to work with because my hair is pretty thick. And here you can see the texture is more fluid. There's no more slimy texture of the aloe. It's pretty fluid right now. So once it's in the bottle, I just went ahead and applied it to my hair and finger detangled. And once I was done finger detangling that section, I went ahead and did a brush through. And as you can see, the cheesecloth kind of lets some of those small pieces of aloe through. I'll definitely be trying this again, and the next time I'll try using a strainer to see how it turns out. So I'm using the brush to go in and grab any small pieces that may have gotten left behind. So I just went ahead and twisted up each section just to hold that moisture in, and you can definitely see the increase in shine and the increase in moisture that my hair is holding. I'm making sure to massage all of that aloe juice into my scalp and into the strands of my hair so that it can take in as much as possible. Making sure to soften up any buildup that may be in my scalp and around my edges, and ensure a smooth and easy rinse out in the shower. And I also brush through that section as well, making sure that there's no tangles. And you can definitely see from here that it takes my low porosity hair a little while to suck in that moisture. So my hair definitely will hold a large volume of liquid, and it can easily be squeezed out. So when squeezing it out, I'll just flip it over and then squeeze, so any excess liquid can then go back to my scalp. And I just massage it in with my hands. And this is all those small pieces of aloe that my brush caught. And I went ahead and rinsed it out. Did my whole wash day process. If you want to see that in more detail, check out Wash Day using Grow by Seiko. That's on my channel, or click up above. And now I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and if you want more details on that, you can go check out my satisfying type 4 hair wash and go routine. You can also click that up above. And I'm just going in with Wetline Extreme Gel and styling my hair. Because it helped detangle my hair just using that aloe juice. I didn't have to use any additional product, and my hair feels extremely moisturized. Now this back section is the hair I already styled, so using the aloe was important to get as much moisture into my strands as possible. And as you can see, when I'm styling, I like to use my hands for the most part because brushes will lead to frizz. And I'm just using a boar bristle brush to smooth in my edges and get that nice shiny sleek look. This is my hair up close, and you can really see that shine. And this is just with detangling using aloe, going in with my wash day products from Grow by Seiko. And to style, I only used Grow by Seiko hair oil and Wetline Extreme Gel. This shine is crazy. I then used a few bobby pins to do my usual pin up where I can give myself some additional volume while my hair dries. And I'm just using a little bit of Wetline Extreme Gel to flatten and smooth out my edges. And now that I'm done styling, this is how it looks so far. It's still slightly wet after adding a little bit more water. This is how it looks. You can see each detail and each curl. Again, this is using Grow by Seiko products. Check out my last video. Let me know what you guys think of this. Have you tried aloe before? Or if you've tried it, do you like it? Do you not? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.